said, Earth has enough for everyone's need, but not enough for everyone's greed. I repeat their words. Earth has enough for everyone's need, but not enough for everybody's greed. Good afternoon, Honorable Sri Sujat Khan Sir, Shri Umesh Sir Ji, Deputy Superintendent of Traffic Police Rambal, respected Principal Sir, esteemed teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters. I extend my heartfelt greetings, countless salutations, and warm respect to all of you. I'm Seerat Bhatt from class 10th, a student of Bharatiya Vidya Mandir High School, Rambal. And today, I'm here not just to deliver a speech, but to deliver a message. A message from the earth. If earth could speak today, it wouldn't shout. It would whisper. Are you listening to me before it's too late? Today on Earth Day, 22nd of April 2026, we aren't just celebrating. We are reflecting. Reflecting on the most important question, are we protecting this earth? Or are we destroying it? Earth Day was first celebrated in 1970 when people realized that human activities were harming the environment. ही हमने जीवन का वरदान पाया है, मगर इंसान ने लालच में इसे जख्म में ही दिखाया है। जिस माँ ने हमें हर सुख देकर अपना आंचल फैलाया है, आज वही माँ अपने अस्तित्व को बचाने का एक हक मांग कर आया है। Just look at our daily lives. We switch on lights and we waste water as if whatever else. But the truth is, natural resources are limited and energy is very precious. And careless wasted today, will lead to crisis tomorrow. That's why this year's theme is Our Power, Our Planet, with so many and climatic change are disturbing the balance. रात बनकर मिटने लगी है। अगर ना जागे हम तो बर्बादी की दस्तक सुनाई देगी। कुदरत की आंखों से अब बस तबाही ही दिखाई देगी। Environmental protection isn't just a choice anymore. It is a necessity. And one of the simplest yet powerful actions we can take is plantation. Every tree plant isn't just a plant. It is life. It is oxygen. It is hope for the future. So let's understand one truth very clearly. Earth doesn't need us to survive. We need Earth to survive. Because there is no second planet, no backup system. If we fail to protect Earth today, we are risking our own future. So let's not wait for others to act, let's become the change. तपते बदन और सूखी आंखों से अब रो रही हूँ। मैं मौत और जिंदगी के बीच खड़ी हो रही हूँ। बचा लो मुझे इससे पहले कि बहुत देर हो जाए। क्योंकि मैं अपनी आखिरी सांसें अब खो रही हूँ। In conclusion, I would like to say that let's become the change. Today, let's take a pledge that we will not waste electricity. We will respect natural resources. We will support green economy. We will protect the environment. We will plant trees and inspire others to do the same. And I request all of you, don't just listen to the speech. Act. Because speeches do not save the earth, but actions do. Let's use our power wisely. Let us protect planet proudly. Because remember, our power lies in our choices. And our planet lies in our hands. At last, I would like to end my speech with a powerful thought, which is, the earth whispers today, but tomorrow it will roar. The earth whispers today, but tomorrow it will roar. And if we don't listen now, we will not exist to hear it anymore.